Hi, I'm Dr. Tamara Dunn. The COVID-19 vaccines save lives, and they are our best chance at ending the pandemic. We are so fortunate to have multiple vaccines that have been shown to be safe and effective against coronavirus. But it's going to take all hands on deck. When it's your turn, please get vaccinated. I got vaccinated for my family, my friends, my patients, and my community. So when it's your turn, get the vaccine and then continue to wear a mask, wash your hands, and watch your distance. But please, get vaccinated. It doesn't matter which shot you get, just get whichever one is available to you.